Hello everyone and welcome back my demon pups. Okay, so today I'm back in Minecraft on Survival Craft. And I decided that I'm going to be doing more today adventuring. I like adventuring when I play Minecraft. Like once I made this world and I adventured a bunch. So I think I'm gonna go over there today and upgrade my axe and my other weapons like my sword. I like birchwood, so I'm gonna get this birchwood right here and do that. And if you want a shout out in the comments, put them in the comments below and I will give you a shout out in my next video. I'll make sure to mention you and tell people that you should probably subscribe to you and everything like that. If you really want a shout out. Just for that notice out there, because some of you people say y'all want shout-outs for y'all YouTube channels. And of course, I'll be uploading on my series, Dean Reaper's Fiance, soon. But at the moment, I am a bit too busy to focus on that one series that I'm on. So I have to focus on that. I have 3 series that are going on my channel. I'm sorry if I don't upload. I was going to upload season 2, episode 2 of my other series, but things didn't work out the way I wanted them to, and it didn't end up uploading, so I have to re-upload it. So those are the things I just wanted to tell you, so let's get on with this video. Cute chicken. I want you for food. Hey, can you die for me? Thank you. Look, no hard feelings, me and you, okay? Let's not have any hard feelings. It's just that I need you for food. Okay? No hard feelings, right? If you die. Thank you. You think you're alone in this world? Let me prove it to you. You're not. Thank you. Thank you. Every animal. Oh my gosh, look at the fish. I can literally go underwater and kill them myself. Now dig. Kill him. I can't kill it. It's too fast. My lord. Anyway, I'm on a 15 minute time limit, so that's why my video was cut off short. Last video I posted, it was cut out a bit short. I'm on a 15-minute time limit. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? And now that I think about it, I'm hungry as all get up. I'm gonna die. What is this? Whatever it is, I want it. Is this seaweed? No! No! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a heart! I need to stop playing around! I definitely need to stop playing around. I didn't know how I got half a heart. It might have been from my last episode. I'm stupid. Okay, let's wait out till my energy... Oh wait, if I don't eat something, my energy will never replenish. So let's make a crafting table, alright, out here in the open. And everyone does it once in a while. I might just leave. I already have a crafting table. What am I thinking? Alright. Make you. 9. Put out that coal. And this. Can you actually cook kelp? I'm gonna see after I make this one piece of chicken. Alright. Kelp. Oh, you can actually cook kelp. That's pretty cool. And man, I was hungry. Dried kelp. What's this? Can you eat this? Oh, you can. It only replenishes you for a bit, but this stuff is cool. I just figured this out. What am I doing to myself? Oh, it's getting dark. I don't have time for this. But I don't have a command block, so I'm just going to use that. Finally I can get my health replenished. And while I'm at it, I might as well make a sword. A stone sword, since I have nothing else. Something to get myself situated and all. I don't have an axe, so I'm going to use an axe next. And I don't really need a shovel. These are just, 3 tools. So I'm going to use this. Alright. Let's see. And I'm getting a call. Nope, I'm not answering that. Alright, let's see. Do this. And I also want to shout out again my sister. Yes. Lollipopper 101.
Yash.
To please subscribe to her.
Channel.
She's mean. Hey, I'm gonna hit 100 soon, and you gonna be sitting in the background, and you gonna be like, my sister's so famous.
I'm gonna be like, guess what? I don't care. It's cold.
Look at this. I'm getting all the kelp in the world.
And Matt, you checked on Gabrielle a few times?
Yeah. A bunch of times. They outside in the front yard.
Gabrielle, I'm just watching him. Did I miss Wendy?
Every time I get the chance to. Oh, you know what's really cool? When stuff drops in water, don't it always fall to the bottom of the water in Minecraft? Mm-hmm. In Minecraft now, it just floats at the top of the water. If it's heavy, look at this. It's floating at the top, so it doesn't fall all the way in the water.
So you're saying, like, if I would have walked over,
drop something in the water, and it will float back up. Stop! My sister was being mean. She put ice in my shirt. Alright, I think I'm close enough to here. There it is. My goal is almost complete. Man, I don't feel like climbing up a whole mountain to get to this coal. Sorry. No, you're not supposed to be eating this. That's for our salsa. Our snack. I like my salsa. I'm back, guys, and sorry for the wait. I was doing something.
It's awesome.
I think I'm far enough in. Come on, how far does it take? I just need some coal. Thank you. While I'm at it, I think I should eat something right now because my health, I'm only at half health. Well, not even close to half health. There we go. Yeah. Anyways, this coal is not gonna get itself. Yeah.
Is that the same person?
Nope. Not the same person. No! Curses. Well, this is enough coal to last me for it. Oh. No! I had 6 hearts, and I just wasted it just by falling off that stupid cliff. Come on, give me some kelp. Oh, and I ran out of kelp. That's life, alright. Alright, let's monopolize this episode of actually doing things that will help me. What is that? What the heck? Is this a structure or something? Because this don't even look right. You see that? In the distance. It doesn't even look right.
The sauce is hot. This one don't have no sauce.
Alright, let's take a look. Pigs. Yes. In a cave? Let's go. Did I make sure to put game rule? Keep inventory. True. Enter. Okay. That's good. I'll keep all my experience and everything once I die. Alright. I already know I'm going to die sometime soon, so why even try? There's a cave over here. Alright, let's re-equip myself. Yes. Hey, I heard I could easily get a shield with cobblestone and a bunch of stuff. So I might as well
Make one?
yeah, make one. Good job, Kayla. Good job. Alright, let's try this. Alright. Huh? Is that not how you make it? How do you make a shield? I think I might need a few more pieces of wood.
This is the same person.
Nope, I'm recording. Alright. Okay, I'm running out of time, so let's just say this. By the next episode, I know. I don't even know how to make a shield. Okay, so by the next episode, I'm going to lay it out for what I will be doing during the background. I will be at least established in a cave like this. Be established in this cave and be doing stuff like that in the cave. I will also have some nice tools. I'll at least try to find some iron. If I see iron, I'm going to start mining it and getting off on the cave as soon as I get in this thing.
Pig.
I know, twin, I know.
I'm not a twin.
I'm going to call you twin today.
Basically, all 5 of us are twins. No, we're down there. Because all 4 of us look like our mom.
Exactly. You all do look like your mom.